Hi, in this video I'll be covering the Klein Tools ET140 pinless moisture meter detection tool. Doing woodworking or got some mysterious bulging in your walls? This might be the tool for you. It's got a simple design with an LED screen and a few buttons. It'll detect moisture on a couple type of materials ranging from sheetrock to hardwood. I've opened up this unit from the plastic clamshell, so let's see how it works. You can see it's got the LED screen. The main button in the middle is the power button. The left button is a selector button, which lets you cycle through the different surface types here. The third button on the right lets you lock on to the reading as you go along different areas to test. So let's put this bad boy to use. So here we're going to start with some sheetrock where there's no problem, or there's no perceived problem, and we can see that it's low. And let's go down to the baseboard and also see where this is a not perceived problem area, and check that out. And so this is our baseline here. Now let's start at part of the drywall where I know there's a problem. We'll start at the top where there's not much of a problem, and we'll go down lower. You can see there's a lot of moisture content. And here in this other part, I'll show you the hold feature. It's kind of nice if you're at a weird angle, and I can just hold that and press the hold button, the second grade button there, and you can see that the moisture content there is pretty high. For under $40, this is a great buy. Whether you're a woodworker, contractor, or just want to know what's going on with your house, this thing will help you know what's behind those walls or wood before you're going to be doing something rash. Click the link in the description to check it out on Amazon.